Hello everyone. Today we will be taking a tour of Rockwall Bayside Resort in Laguindingan. Recently, it has become a popular destination for families to spend outings together. The resort sits on a cliffside shore lot and only has a small stretch of white sand. The beach is mostly rock, and you will find that you might need to wear some water shoes or slippers when you go out swimming. It is very abundant with sea life though. There is plenty of seaweed, corals, starfish, and reef fish of all kinds, and many other marine life. If you are a fan of Finding Nemo, there are lots of clownfish here. Among the residents here are sea turtles, who are quite shy and afraid of humans. There have also been sightings of eagle rays and the gentle giant, the whale shark. Because of the diversity of marine life, the area is popular among freedivers and scuba divers. For the less adventurous, I recommend snorkeling. A snorkeling mask and fins is enough to fully enjoy the marine life. Entrance is 50 pesos with an extra 20 pesos environmental fee. Cottage, I think, is 500 pesos, but you have to double check that because I'm not quite sure how much it is. If you like this video, kindly leave a like and subscribe. That would help my channel a lot. Take note, by the way, that this is a walking tour and not a vlog. I rarely talk and interact in this video. I think that way you can get a more accurate view of the area without the exaggeration and hyperbole as is typical of travel vlogs. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Wow, 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 wow! What they do or say will be on our way. Tapas ako. Wow. Isa lang. Silang taon lang na din ako rin nun sa na. Ako sa ngiyot sila. Content ba? Content. They got quite a good content kay reels ba reels.